Would you like to learn how to make some delicious turkey wings in the crock pot? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so
These are my turkey wings that I have already washed with lemon juice. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. The first thing I'm going to do is add a little olive oil to the turkey wings on both sides so that the seasonings will adhere nicely. And then after that, I'm going to create a seasoning rub using some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comment section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now I'm also going to go in with some chicken bouillon powder, as well as some buttery garlic and herb seasoning. I'm gonna add a little dried thyme too. Now I'm going to give all the seasonings a good old mix, get everything nice and well combined, and then I'm going to add the seasonings to the turkey wings, and be sure to season both sides of the turkey wings. Once I get the turkey wings all seasoned up, I'm going to let them marinate overnight in the refrigerator, but if you have to skip that step, it'll be okay. By the way, if you don't want to use a crock pot, you can bake the turkey wings covered in a 350-degree oven for about 2 hours. Now I'm putting a little browning on the turkey wings to give them a little color, because the only thing I like light-skinned is me, okay? Browning really doesn't have any flavor, it's just for coloring. We're going to need some chicken broth, so I love to use this Better Than Bouillon chicken base. You just add some of it to hot boiling water and stir. We're also going to flavor up the turkey wings with some cream of chicken and herb soup, as well as 1 pack of Lipton onion soup mix. I'm gonna add that packet right on into the Campbell soup, along with a little poultry seasoning too. And I'm gonna give it a good old whisk and get everything mixed up well. Now I got the turkey wings in the crock pot, and I'm gonna add some red onions, some scallions, some celery, the leaves too, and carrots. Normally I wouldn't add carrots and scallions. I would use bell peppers and onions, but I didn't have any, so I had to go with what I had up in my refrigerator, child. So whatever's clever will work. And then I'm gonna add that chicken broth to the side of the crock pot. I also added in some fresh garlic off camera. And I'm gonna add in that soup mixture and try to mix it up and press everything down as best as I can. Then you wanna cook your turkey wings for 3 to 4 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low. Me personally, I always go for low and slow. So I let mine go for about 8 hours. And after 8 hours, this is what it's giving.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all up with some rumbling.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These turkey wings came out so good. Just packed with flavor, super tender. Child, you better make you some. Well, I hope you liked the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.
You got recipes, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.